Hi, everybody. Welcome to the third assignment. This week, we're going to get away from the creative side of things and kind of move into the technical side of things where I'm going to be doing some theory with you. So, the first assignment in that series is just basically naming the notes and the lines and the spaces for the treble clef. On your assignment, I attached a um, treble clef, which outlines the names of the lines and spaces. But I just want to remind you that the names of the lines from the bottom to the top go E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy deserves fudge. Or whatever other sentence you use to help you remember. Some of you have some creative ones, I know, and that's fine. And then the spaces of the treble clef spell the word face, F-A-C-E, from bottom to top. And that's really all that I needed to tell you with this video. You're going to write in or type in the document that I attached, the name of the line or space that I am describing. And there's 9 questions. So that's pretty much all there is to say. I want to thank everybody for doing assignment number 1, assignment number 2. Um, it's been a real treat seeing your creativity come forth. And I miss you dearly. Thank you.